for the dumbbell bent over rows. We're gonna start by lifting the weights all the way to the standing position and then bending over like you're doing a Romanian deadlift. Push your butt backwards. Back is nice and flat. Weights are dangling right underneath your shoulders, and then you're going to pull back. Notice how I'm not pulling up directly to my shoulders. I'm pulling back more towards my rib cage. So try to keep your back in that good position the whole time, as opposed to leaning and rocking with it a lot. So pulling those shoulders all the way back, getting the elbows in tight, you'll be good to go.